My name's Sam Stirzaker. I'm currently an Audit and Accounts Manager at Watson Buckle, but I started at Watson Buckle back in 2013 as a trainee. I first wanted to go into accountancy because maths was always a subject that I enjoyed at school. My mum was also an accountant, and it was just a natural path. So my start was a little bit different because I did a placement year whilst at university. So I did a year as on a work placement essentially, and that it was actually extended to about 18 months. So I did that whole year, and then once I completed my degree, I then came back and started as an official trainee. There are lots of different options, and we have taken on people on various different routes in the past. Obviously, I did a degree, but I did a placement year and some work experience with Watson Buckle and then started as a graduate. We do have other graduates. More recently, we tend to take more trainees on from A-level results. So they come in and you can do your AAT and then go on to do your chartered exams. Coming in straight from school gives you that work experience much sooner. And then we also take on trainees that are older and would like a career change. So each trainee has a direct line manager that will look after them, and you can go to for any queries. We'll support them through the training, be involved through the apprenticeship process for that training with meetings with college. But then in terms of work, you would work with a variety of different seniors so that you get the exposure to different work styles and approaches. So there are lots of people at Watson Buckle that are approachable, and you could go to anybody, whether that be a peer, a manager, or a director. Your direct line manager is the person you can go to with anything, but equally you could approach anyone for support. It's not necessarily maths skills, because obviously we all have calculators, and maths goes into different areas that isn't accounting and a debit and a credit. There are other skills like organisation skills, writing skills to be able to communicate with people. And we're looking for someone who's got an all-round, not just maths experience. When I left school, I didn't really know what I wanted to do. I went to university. I did an accounting and finance degree, but I went there for the experience of university as well. Looking back now, I enjoyed the way I did it, and I gained the work experience I did because I did a placement year. But quite often graduates don't get that work experience, so it's often a better route would be to go through the AAT apprenticeship route straight from school so that you're getting work experience. So I started as a graduate trainee, obviously gaining work experience throughout my chartered qualification. Once I became chartered, I was pretty much an audit senior doing audit senior work, and then progressed then in the years after that up. If a trainee would like to progress all the way to become a partner and director, there are internal opportunities. We do like to promote from within, and as can be seen from our current manager base, lots of those were promoted from within, and there are opportunities to progress further from that.